Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. These are some of the items that my wife purchased. Thermometer and then oximeter. By the way, this video is not sponsored by any of this company. So yeah, let's go and then unbox it. This one is the infrared thermometer. High precision and 1 second reading. Touch free temperature scan. Wow, so this one has a color indication if you have a fever or not. So yeah, let's go and then open this up and check it out. Well, even come with the carrying pouch. Got the nice carrying pouch. It's a gray velvet. What? Doesn't come with the battery. It uses 2 of the AAA batteries. Let me go get the battery and then test it out. So the one with the spring is negative. So right here is the beeping on and off. And right here is to check the temperature. And it shows a low battery. But I haven't charged it for a while. So I guess this battery is too low. It's not going to read your temperature. This one's the finger oximeter. So this one comes with the battery. Wow, even come with the case. And this is the wrist strap or the lanyard. You clip it right there or insert a thread. This one to loop it. So this is a nice silicone case. And right here is the button. So make sure you put the bottom of the finger onto the sensor. And it's going to show you the reading after a few seconds. Alright, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one, like always. Peace.